Hop into the 2024 Chevrolet Colorado. The Colorado delivers the power you need to get the job done, the comfort and amenities you want, and the fuel efficiency that just makes sense in today's world. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, satellite radio, keyless start, heated mirrors. Have fun, drive smart, get the job done. Count on the Colorado.